Welcome, my fellow science maniatics. Today we delve into the mysterious world of ChatGPT Plus, the AI-powered chatbot with some exciting features beyond the free version. What are these features? And is it worth upgrading to the paid version? Let's find out. As of now, ChatGPT Plus costs $20 a month and is only available to those who are on a waitlist. However, some have found a way to bypass the waitlist by clicking on the Upgrade to Plus option in the left side menu. OpenAI claims that ChatGPT Plus is currently only available to US customers. However, there are hints that it may be expanding to other regions, such as the EU, UK, Turkey, and even the UAE. The free version of ChatGPT is available in many countries, including Uganda, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States of America, Uruguay, Vanuatu, and Zambia, as well as in most parts of the world, including Asia, Europe, and the Americas. OpenAI is also looking to provide safe access to more countries soon. However, if you are unable to access ChatGPT in your country, even though it is listed as a supported country, region, or territory, you can contact ChatGPT support for assistance. OpenAI promises constant access to ChatGPT, faster response times, and priority access to new features. While there are no Plus exclusive features announced yet, some Redditors have reported a new Turbo mode, which is now apparently the default mode for ChatGPT Plus users. We will have a video coming on the new Turbo mode soon. There are also reports that ChatGPT Plus uses an updated version of the Transformer model powering the chatbot. The Transformer model powering ChatGPT is a transformer model that uses self-attention mechanisms to process variable-length sequences of text. This makes it well-suited for language processing tasks such as chatbots. More specifically, ChatGPT is built on top of OpenAI's GPT-3 family of large language models, which includes transformer models. These models have been fine-tuned using both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques to generate human-like text from inputs. It is worth noting that there are multiple transformer models that could be used for chatbots, but in the case of ChatGPT, it is specifically built on top of OpenAI's GPT-3 family of large language models. But is it worth the upgrade? While ChatGPT Plus does promise unimpeded access, evidence shows that Plus users are still affected by bandwidth issues. Moreover, AI-powered chatbot technology is not always accurate, as demonstrated by Google Bard and Microsoft's GPT-powered version of Bing. As of the current date, February 18, 2023, Google Bard has been announced, but has not yet been widely released or tested in comparison to ChatGPT. However, some articles suggest that Google Bard is expected to offer credible competition to ChatGPT, while others indicate that it is too early to determine the frontrunner between the two chatbots. Additionally, an article states that Google's CEO Sundar Pichai announced on February 8, 2023, that Bard will be far better than ChatGPT in several ways. But the article does not provide any specific details or comparisons between the two chatbots. So, science maniacs, let us ponder some thought-provoking questions. What do you think of ChatGPT Plus and its features? Have you tried it yet? Do you think it's worth upgrading to the paid version? Will you wait for AI-powered chatbot technology to improve before paying to use it? And finally, what do you think the future holds for AI-powered chatbots? Thank you for joining us on this mysterious journey into the world of ChatGPT Plus. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Science Maniatics with your fellow science enthusiasts. Stay tuned, because we will be releasing a video on Turbo Mode and how to get ChatGPT in your country where it is not currently available.